Hey, what's up, guys? This is a heated ice cream scoop by the brand Mighty Rain. It makes it really easy if you're trying to scoop out rock solid ice cream. It heats up really fast. It's super easy to use. So basically there's no buttons on it. It's just kind of hand activated so it can sense when you grab it. It has a sensor and it turns on. You can see the light that comes on. I think it hits up to about, I think it said 158 degrees, and it only takes like 15 or 20 seconds to heat all the way up. So it's really good if you have rock solid frozen ice cream. It makes scooping it out really easy. Makes it so you get those really nice perfect ice cream ball scoops. I tried it out on some really frozen ice cream and it worked really good. I also tried it out on some softer ice cream. It still worked, but obviously wasn't really necessary then, so it did leave kind of like a melted edge, so it started to melt it. So don't use it on partially thawed ice cream or soft ice cream, but that really hard frozen ice cream, this thing works really good. As far as the packaging, pretty basic. It comes with this, a small set of instructions. It is rechargeable, there's no battery needed. So it comes with the USB-C that you just plug in to charge it up. And I think I left it charging for about an hour or so and came back and it was ready. I've only charged it once or twice since I've had it, so it lasts for a long time. Then cleanup's really easy. After you use it, you just take and rinse it off. Quick wash under the sink. Don't put it in the dishwasher. It's an electronic. So just wash it by hand and then put it back away. Oh, and I think it also came with like a little silicone base to set this thing in. I think I lost mine like the first day or second day. It doesn't really matter. I use it and I just set it down on the counter until it cools off and then throw it back in the drawer. Yeah, guys, really cool kitchen gadget. Good for anybody who might have sore hands or hurt hands that's not able to scoop out hard ice cream, or if you just want something that's a little cooler to use besides a regular kitchen spoon like I've normally done in the past. So just a really cool gadget.